How's it going, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the night stream, where we talk about video games, pop culture, entertainment, whatever I find entertaining, whatever I think is cool. Now, I'm 10 days too late. I know, but let's check out the Tears of the Kingdom trailer 3. I've been wanting to watch it, but I'll be honest, I'm not excited. I'm really not excited for this game. But let's check it out. Let's watch it. I mean, we're hoping for something. We want something more in this trailer, right? Than what we saw from last time. It kind of just gave us a glimpse. It just looked like Breath of the Wild 2.0. That looks cool. A little epic fall. Like, I want to be excited about this game. I really do. I really do want to be excited for it. But, I got so bored in Breath of the Wild that... Okay. See here, we're going to get a glimpse of the other areas here. I mean, the world looks huge, obviously, which is a good thing. Are we going to finally see maybe some dungeons? You know, that's what I wanted to see. Uh-oh. There he is. Was that Zelda herself? What was I looking at? Hang on. Oh, yeah. So, there she goes. All right, we had a glimpse at some armor. Okay. Some dungeon type stuff. Evil villain. Oh, gosh. More of those...
Zelda,
dungeon-like puzzles.
we rely on your knight and that legendary sword he carries. Our last line of defense will be Link.
All right, so they have cutscenes with vocals.
Link.
Looked like some different type of weapons. Ability. Okay. Little rockets, huh? It looks like there's going to be some epic moments for sure. Obviously. Naturally. Some bosses.
I know why I am here. It's something only I can do.
Voice acting.
Do not look away. You witness a king's revival and the birth of his
I don't know.
new world.
Okay, let's go.
This music always gets me going. I always get the little goosebumps from this music for sure.
Alone. Link. You are our final hope.
That looked cool. A Cerberus type three-headed dragon thing. Is there anything else extra at the end here? There is. There is.
Link. You must find me.
All right. I mean, you know what? I have other games to play. I'm sorry. It's just not exciting for me. I'm not excited really at all for the game. Let's see what people are saying. That was an incredible trailer. Ganondorf looked cool. like so many contraptions, thingamabobs, and doohickeys with the fuse ability. See, that's to me the fuse ability is just absolutely lame. I'm in the minority here. I did not like Breath of the Wild. Halfway through, I forced myself to finish it. There were no real dungeons. The weapon damage was just really annoying to deal with. It ruined a lot of the game for me. Collecting 100 Kokoru seeds was stupid. Don't get me wrong. I mean, there are some high level players out there that had some really kind of like cool replays of their and flair within their fights and stuff, and it looked amazing and everything. But side quests just turned into like fetch missions for rupees, and the puzzles. I forgot what they were called, but the puzzle rooms got just super tedious. I think I did like 50 of them, and finally I'm like, this is lame. And don't get me started with the crafting and to get new abilities and temporary buffs was lame. It looked pretty and the world was cool. I'm not excited for this game whatsoever. You know, but hey, don't let me ruin your excitement for a Zelda game. Will I play it eventually? Maybe. We'll see. I'm sure the reviews will be like, oh, it's the best Zelda. This is the best Zelda ever. Sure, that's fine. And if you're excited to play the game, I'm excited for you. But I'd rather go play Ocarina of Time on the online Switch for Nintendo 64. But hey, again, what about you guys? Are you excited for the game? Is it pre-order? I mean, there should be pre-orders, right? Is this a day one buy, or are you going to sit back for a little bit? Leave a like, comment, dislike, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Take care.